What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some super cute slime that I got from Slime Mania back in December from my slime obsession. I am so excited to show you all. This is not going to be like a review style type video. I just really wanted to show you all these slimes because they're amazing and they deserve their shine. I got this for like 100% free. I got the homie hookup. So I don't want to be rude and like review them, you know what I mean? But I definitely want to show you all because like I said, they deserve their shine. So this first one is so freaking cute. They're all so freaking cute, obviously, because, you know, they're in the video and come on. So this is Pink Rain and it's just so beautiful. I love how even like these screw lid containers are sealed. That's just so professional and amazing. Like I said, I got these back in December, I would say like the second week of December, and it is now the second week of January. So I am so shook that they are still in perfect condition. They don't need any activator whatsoever. It is just so beautiful. I just really wanted to show you all. This one here is called Unicorn Storm, and it is so beautiful. This one I believe I had reviewed on my channel before. However, this one looks a little bit different because I remember the last time, I think her containers cracked or something like that. And so she wasn't really happy with the way that it turned out, even though in my opinion, the first one still looked beautiful as well. But this one is super, super beautiful, and I can totally see her vision behind this, and I love it so much. This one here is called Butterfly Dreams, and it's honestly like such a classic looking slime. Like this slime looks like it could go on for years and still be a popular slime. It's so gorgeous and I love that. I feel like my slime obsession is like at the top level of slime. This next one is called Christmas Tree Lights. Like I said, I did get this slime at Slime Mania, and that happened, I believe, the second weekend of December. So it was like kind of Christmas themed. So of course this one fit in perfectly. It is so gorgeous. I love this one so much. And lastly, this one here is Coral Sea, and I love this one so much. It even came with a little starfish charm, and it was just so adorable. Alrighty, y'all, well, that is pretty much it for these slimes. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely make sure to go ahead and check out my slime obsession on Instagram, and also check out their shop and buy some slime, because like I said, top-notch level of slime right here, I am telling you. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!